My name's Glenn. I am a truckie, and this is my first property that I've purchased. So I bought this place off the plan about 2 years ago. In the past, it's taken quite a while for me to get like a full-time job. It wasn't until a couple of years ago when I was offered a job by my current boss, Alan. Yeah, and now, it was good timing because I had a stable income and, looking to, who knows, in the next few years, start a family. So looking to get out fresh property. Tony, he set out the goals and the financial goals and everything for me to show me that I can afford this kind of property, because it's a very nice property, especially for a first home buyer. It's not exactly cheap, and plus I'm buying this all on my own too. I think long term, I think it'll be a pretty good investment. I think, especially with this area, in terms of growth and everything, the values are going up, where as opposed to everywhere else in Sydney, it's kind of going down because of the interest rates and everything. When he ventured out to meet my parents to convince them that this was a really good opportunity, personally, my dad is a very hard guy to sell to, and for Tony to be able to actually convince him this is a good purchase speaks volumes, I guess.
Remember walking the living room, sitting on the couch. Steve, your dad, offered me a cup of tea. I thought, yeah, well, why not? He's a nice guy. And then started talking, and I think straight away I could. Molly, the mum, did most of the talking, but I could see Steve just observing and just sensing, what's going on.
Personally, if you just walk up to a sales suit, once they sell that to you, the property, that's it. But with Investmentor, they kind of guide you throughout the whole journey. Then they provide you with help in terms of let's say even today when we're inspecting the house, they gave me a recommendation of a company to come and inspect the house. So yeah, small things like that, that really help with just the whole journey of purchasing properties that's what Investmentor is for.